Hello everyone, this will be just a quick overview on the Decorators homework. So Decorators homework is actually totally optional and you're not going to be writing any code. What I want you to do is actually just check out some web frameworks. I don't expect you to be using Decorators until much further in your coding career, so that's why this homework is optional. First thing I want you to do is just check out the web framework Flask. So Flask is going to allow you to create web pages in Python. So if you're interested in becoming more of a full stack developer, and that's kind of the path you want to take as far as your Python coding career, go ahead and check out Flask. It's a really fun way to make websites, but what's interesting about it is that decorators are heavily integrated into the way the web framework works. So I want you to check that out, and then also click this link to learn about how to use Vue decorators. So they actually have a whole page kind of describing how they use these function decorators and how they work in their own application. Okay, so this is a really nice way to see how decorators are used in real life. After that, if you're still really interested in web pages with Python, what I want you to do is check out Django, which is a more heavy duty and probably more popular web framework for Python. So you can check that out as well. And last but not least, in this Decorators homework notebook, I have a few definitions for what a framework is and what an API is, in case you're wondering what I've been meaning by web framework. Okay, so again, this homework's optional, but I do encourage you to at least check out Flask and Django and Vue decorators, just those pages, because it is a super interesting topic of how you're able to develop web pages with Python. A lot of interesting and famous web pages such as Reddit or Pinterest have been developed using Python, so it's important that you know at least that it's possible. Okay, so other than that, that's really it, and thank you. I'll see you at the next lecture.